Hey y'all, it's Ann from Making Our House a Home, and I'm cleaning out this nasty, disgusting refrigerator. It's been so long, I don't even know what's in here. I'm kind of scared to find out, but I've got to face it. But this is a collab, and it's hosted by Jessica Myros. We are doing a power hour collab. We are getting things done and took off our to-do list. So today I'm spending an hour in my refrigerator. It is terrible. And I'm just spending a couple minutes to take some of this stuff off of my countertop so I'll have plenty of room, because I've got a lot of stuff in here I'm going to have to take out. And I'm going to take the shelves out and kind of wipe them down a little bit. So I'm just going to spend this time taking everything out and getting an inventory of what I have. I cannot believe I had all this stuff in my refrigerator. There is just so much stuff. I know a lot of this stuff will be able to go in the compost, but a lot of these leftovers I know I'm going to have to get rid of. I just had them shoved in the back and just didn't see them and forgot all about them. But a lot of this stuff, like tomatoes that I had put in there from canning, the ducks can get those. They love those tomatoes, so I can give that to them. So it's really not a whole lot that I'm going to have to throw away. Most of it can go in the compost. So I'm just going to go through all this stuff and see what I need to keep, and I'll put all that stuff back, and then I'll deal with what I need to either put in the compost or need to throw away. glad I've got this done. It is just a load off my shoulders. I want to thank Jessica for hosting this collab and getting me to do this. It was needed. And I will have Jessica's channel linked down below as well as a playlist, so make sure you go check out her channel and all the other videos in the playlist. And I've just got some random jars of things that I need to get rid of. Some chicken, some salsa, things like that. Some beef broth that I had a little bit left after canning. I've got some leftovers here that I can either throw in the trash or give to the chickens, and some half and half that expired, and that'll go in my compost. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.